In today's competitive job market, standing out isn't just a choice, it's a necessity. Imagine your students armed with the tools to enhance their employability, communication, and language skills, prepared for a world of opportunities. From language to collaboration, group discussions, etiquette, interview skills to storytelling, our students practiced it all. Our innovative program is designed to provide real-world skills that are in high demand. From interactive communication workshops to mastering the art of language, we empower students with the confidence to excel. Expert mentors guide them every step of the way, offering insights into industry expectations and how to communicate with impact. Through collaborative exercises, participants learn to network effectively, solve problems in teams, and communicate their ideas clearly, key skills every employer seeks. By participating in this program, your students will gain the skills they need to succeed not just academically, but professionally. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from students who have benefited from the program and how it has transformed their approach to communication and career preparation.
She is a very wonderful, energetic and enthusiastic person. She always wears a big smile on her face, and we've never seen her in anger. She handles the class very well, and which is a very hard thing to do. Was centered around the English, but I believe that the module 1 and 2 were about interpersonal skills, communications, and all of those things. But during module 3 and 4, she taught us English as well as those module 1 and 2. She alone covered all the 4 modules during this time, which is a very wonderful thing. And we hope that even if in future there are trainings like this, she will be joining us again.
I really enjoyed this session. मिलकर हमें इंग्लिश कैसे बोलना है, कैसे ग्रामर मुझे सीखने को मिला ज़्यादा, ये मेरा बहुत वीक था. कैसे हमें कम्युनिकेशन करना है, सब सीखने को मिला. मैं चाहूँगी कि आगे जो भी स्टूडेंट हो वो भी इसका बेनिफिट ले, ताकि वो भी ये सब
grammar, English speaking, બધું મારે ઇમ્પ્રૂવ થયું અને પર્સનલી મારી વાત કરું તો મને સ્ટેજ ફિયર બહુ મોટો ઇવન હું ખાલી સ્ટેજ ઉપર ફોટા પાડવાના હોય તો પણ મને ડર લાગતો અને અત્યારે મને લાગે છે કે હું સ્લો સ્ટેજ ફિયર હતો એટલે પોઝિટિવ તરફ થઈ રહી છે.
I really like this training session, and if I talk about myself individually, so मुझे स्टेज फियर था एंड कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल में लैक करता था. मेरा एक स्टेज फियर मेरे को भी इंग्लिश में बात करना दैट आई विल डू इन दिस ट्रेनिंग सेशन.
और मैंने बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसे इसके साथ बात करनी है, कैसे एक्सप्रेशन देने हैं और दो
मैं बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने इंग्लिश ग्रामर और इंग्लिश में मतलब लेटर कवर और हाउ टू अगर कोई किसी कंपनी में अप्लाई करे तो कैसे रेज्यूमे लिखे या फिर किस प्रकार से अपना पूरा बायोडेटा कैसे प्रेजेंट कैसे करे, कम्युनिकेशन कैसे बढ़ाए, ये सब सीखा. और एटिकेट विषय घणું सीखा. डिसिप्लिन के लिए मैनेज करवाने बधी રીતે એટલે આ સેશન મને તો બહુ ગમ્યું ને બધા લોકોને પણ ગમ્યું.
Enhance the future of your students today. Let them take control of their careers with our employability enhancement program designed to make them industry ready.